Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about important scholarship. It's an open doors in Russia and it accepts nationalities from all over the world, and it's a fully funded scholarship. In this scholarship we're going to talk about how to register and some important notes about steps in order to be able to submit your application correctly. And there will be another video about the next steps. But for now, as we can see, this is the portfolio in the Open Doors Scholarship. We can see general information, university, and the first stage. Usually this scholarship has two stages, but now we're gonna start from searching. We just open new tab and we write down Open Door Scholarship, and we should use the official link. As we can see, we still have 41 more days in order to register. Here at the right top you can find the login or sign up. You should sign up for the first time. After you sign up, you have to enter your email, first name, last name, date of birth, and important details about like phone number and most important, the password. But here you need to be careful because you need to enter your date of birth correctly, because the tracks are depending on your date of birth. So we have a bachelor, master, doctoral, and postdoctoral studies, and you can apply for one of them. So if you are a bachelor student, your age you should be born in 2002 or 2003 and 4, etc. So you have to enter it correctly, because if you enter, for example, 2001, you are only eligible for a master degree. And as we can see, there are lots of tracks. We have biology, we have computer science, mathematics, business and management, politics, physical science, chemistry, and also we have economics, engineering and technology, public health, we have environmental science and education, and engineering, civil engineering, and we have the Russian language and culture. And you can study in this scholarship either in English or in Russian. And here you have to accept all the policy and you click on register. After that we can enter into the previous page that we show you, this one. So this is the main page for the scholarship, and as you can see here, profiles, I have 4 profiles, and from the general information you can edit your information. University, you can choose up to 6 universities, and it's depending on your priority. So priority, you're starting from priority number 1, then less priority for number 2, 3, and etc. So choosing university is depending on your goal. So you need to work, or you are searching for a calm place to live. For example, if you are searching for a work, Moscow is the capital city, and definitely you can find more jobs there compared to other. If you are choosing, if you are searching for a better university ranking, so you can choose according to your goals. And here for the first stage, we can press on the portfolio and you can choose the majors that you want to study. Each major, there is an entrance test. As you can see here, it's the first entrance test, and there is points you can earn after doing this test in order to be moved to the next step. But we need to be careful. Every major you choose, you have to upload a motivation letter and you have to do a test. So you can choose the number that you want. There is no limit for the profiles, but you need to write a suitable motivation letter for each one of them that show your potentials and your skills and your goals, future goals. So for now, as you can see here, when you fill it in, or when you upload the scholarship, or when you upload the motivation letter and you do the test, you will see the score here, and you will see here it will change to filled in. And you can see here the status that it's ready to be sent for verification from the committee of the scholarship. So for example, we pressed here, as we can see it's in red, so we need to upload a motivation letter for this one and achievements, and we have to do the test. As we can see here, it's not completed. So now we're gonna talk about it, and here you can check you can enter your degree, and you can see the education, your previous education. You can enter it from here, from this tab, the education one. You can add your degree and the year of graduation and the country. Motivation letter, when you press on it, you can add separate one for each major you chose. Here it's really important because there is you have to fill it about your professional achievement, and you have to write about the reason for choosing this subject and reason for choosing studying in Russia. So scholarship, why you choose the scholarship and Russia to study in. So the personal goals also, they should be connected to your future goals, and you have to mention it. And for example, here we have 4 majors. You just press on the add button and you have to fill it on, and you have to select domains for you have to select domain. As we can see here, you can select one or up to 3 domains, and we have to specify the science. So for example, if we press it at domain here, and we are studying, we're gonna choose engineering technology, and here you can choose from the drop down list engineering technology. Here we have the type of engineering, we have materials, medical. So we can choose nanotechnology, and here for the field of science, and here because it's nanotechnology they have only the nanoscience, but for other majors we're gonna try again to see that we have more options for if we choose another science. So here if we choose for example, let me search for one. Okay, if we choose materials, we have different fields, so you can choose up to 3 domains here. As we can see from here, you can upload also your motivation letter, and that's it for this one. And of course, don't forget to press save. Now for the achievements, when you press it, you have to add your achievements. What's the meaning of achievements? It's important to upload a portfolio for the postdoctoral track and achievements, so it's mandatory. But if you are not studying a postdoctoral, it's not mandatory, but it's very important to upload it because it will show your potentials and it will be better in the ranking. For example, if you press add, you can add your publications, if you have attend a conference, if you have awards, if you participate in any competitions, and you can add also the language certificate that you have. So anything is connected to your study and your future study you are applying in here, you should upload it. And we have here the entrance test. As we mentioned previously, for each major we have to do a test. It's 45 questions and you should finish it in 60 minutes. It is easy. It's not very hard if you know the materials and if you already studied this major. There are 45 questions and you can do it under 45 minutes. Under 60 minutes. But if you choose to study in Russian, it will be tricky here because if you are using Google Translate, sometimes you will not understand the question and sometimes will lead to a wrong answer. But don't worry about it. You can pass it. And if you did it, you can see here, you can do it more than one time and they will show you here your points. As you can see here in my screen, I have scored 31 out of 45 without studying. So thank you for listening and see you next time.